Hello everybody, my name is Tao Zhu. The organization I chose is the Gobli Company, which is a Chinese food company. Okay, let's have an overview of this crisis. About a month ago, an individual media blogger uploaded a video on social media platforms, and he named this video one of the most terrible restaurants in Dazhong, which is a Chinese app. The video has around the renounces of many netizens, and the broadcast volume has reached 1 million. Moreover, the owner of this restaurant put an announcement, and they warned this blogger. They said this video has broken their reputation, and they will call the police to solve this problem. Everything I said is real. I just want to tell the truth to the public, this media blogger said. Over time, all the public opinions on the network has stolen this blogger's side. Okay, currently, managing organization is very important. The first thing to stop the cooperation with their franchise store and make an apology to the customers to make a promise that upgrades the management and service. Okay, the next important part is the stakeholder. The most important stakeholder is CEO and employees, and the other stakeholders are customers, social media, the government, local regulator, Committee of China Consumer Association, which is CCCA. During this crisis, there are a huge impact on these stakeholders. For Gobli's CEO and manager, their behavior and impression has been affected. For employees of Gobli company, their behaviors will be focused on by society. Any mistake may be magnified by the media. Customers also the target audience. Due to this conflict, the impression of Gobli company is discounted, which also limits the consumption decision. Social media is the main platform to spread this crisis. During the process of this crisis, media have to pay close attention to remarks and future trends of Gobli company, which means their workload will be increased. Meanwhile, this incident also served as a warning to local government. They need to strengthen cooperation with this organization. Okay, the second important part is crisis timeline. At the first stage, potential stage, an individual media blogger uploaded a video on social media platforms. At the emerging stage, citizens began discussing the restaurant and cast doubt on brand service. There were many customers who said they have similar experience with the video blogger. At current stage, the restaurant manager released a statement. This statement was condemned by netizens. At crisis stage, which is unconditional acceptance, consumer received compensation and apology. At demand stage, Gobli cancelled its partnership with this restaurant. Alright, the last part of this crisis is very clear. Action and responses is very simple. Apologize to consumer, terminate the relationship with the franchise store causing this conflict, communicate with consumer and make compensation, formulate relevant manager standards. The next is recommendations in the future, cooperating with social media and interact with consumers. To increase cooperation with media, make the most of media is very important. Strengthen corporate governance is to ensure that consumers' rights are not violated. Gobli restaurants all over the country are facing problem of fewer customers, but also let Gobli company bear a lot of economic pressure. This conflict has led to a 4% drop in Gobli's shares. But as time went on, Gobli company continued to carry out public relations behavior, and the compensation also obtained the customers' understanding. Besides, the management plan has also recognized by the local government. At the same time, in terms of economic benefits, they are gradually warming up, but their premise is they must fortify their commitments in the future. The organization learned how to deal with the crisis better and take corresponding responsibility. In terms of stakeholders, the organization learned how to maintain the relationships with them, which is very important for future development. Having target medium tactics is very important. The future response decided the future trend, especially to maintain relationships with stakeholders. Finally, CEO's leadership and executive ability plays a key role in this crisis. Okay, this is my presentation. Thanks for watching.